Hello everyone, I am your host Ayushi Karasetia and welcome back to our channel Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how you can add leads from FormStack to Apollo CRM automatically. So first let us understand what these software applications are all about. FormStack is a form building software application and Apollo is a CRM software application. So the idea here is that you have created some forms using your FormStack. Now you want that whenever you receive a new submission or whenever a customer fills that particular form and you receive the submission, automatically using those details of the customer, a new contact should get created into your Apollo CRM account. Okay. For this, we need to create a connection between FormStack and Apollo CRM. So in order to create a connection, we are going to use a software application named Pabbly Connect. So basically, Pabbly Connect is an automation and integration software which will help us in integrating both these software applications automatically. The best part here is it doesn't require any coding skills or programming knowledge. Even a non-technical person can use this software application very easily. So let us learn the integration process now on my screen. To start the integration, let us type Pabbly, pabbly.com in our browser. This is the website of Pabbly. Here we have to come to Products and click on Pabbly Connect. This is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. As you are the first time user, you have to click on sign up for free option and you can create your own account in just 2 minutes. By clicking on sign up free button, you will get 100 tasks free every month. As I already have an account with Pabbly Connect, I'll simply click on sign in. In the all apps section, come to Pabbly Connect and click on access now. This is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here we have to create a workflow. For that, come to this plus sign and click on create workflow. Now here we have to give a name to the workflow. So let us give the name as add leads from FormStack to Apollo CRM. Here you can give the workflow name as per your requirement and simply click on create. Now here we can see a trigger window and an action window. So Pabbly Connect works on the concept of trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. So in this use case, we want that whenever a customer fills the form through your FormStack, automatically the details should be added to your Apollo CRM account. It means a new contact should get created into your Apollo CRM account. So open this trigger window and here in the choose application, let us find FormStack. In the trigger event, we have to select new form submission. Click on connect. Click on add new connection and click on connect with FormStack. Now here we can see that it is requesting for the permission, API permissions. So let's click on authorize and give away the permissions over here. Authorization successful. And now the FormStack account is connected to Pabbly Connect just because I was already logged into my FormStack account. So make sure before creating a connection, you are logged into your FormStack account. Now here you have to select the form name. So I'll take you to my FormStack account. This is the dashboard. And here I have already created some forms, that is feedback form and contact form. I'll just open it and show it to you. So we will be using contact form over here, where I have taken the basic fields, that is the name, email address and the organization name of the customer. So if you want to add some more fields, simply add the fields from here as per your requirement. Okay. So let us select the same form name over here, that is contact form. Okay. And let's click on save and send test request. Okay, and here we can see that it is waiting for the response. So in order to capture the response, we have to do a test submission. It means we have to fill up the form on the name of a customer. So I'll again take you to my contact form and from here we can just access the form by clicking on this view live form. And here we are going to enter the details of the customer. First name as Adam, last name as Smith, email address as adamsmith123@gmail.com. Let's add the organization name as Pabbly. Okay, and click on submit form. Thank you, your form was submitted successfully. So the form has been filled. Let's move back to Pabbly Connect. And here we can see the responses received and all the details of the form submission are captured over here. Here we can find the first name, last name, email address, and the company name of the customer. Okay. So now we want that using these details, automatically a new contact should get created into your Apollo CRM account. For that, come to this action window. Here in the choose application, let us find Apollo. In this action event, we have to select create contact. Click on connect. Click on add new connection. And now it is asking for the API key. You can get API key from HERE. So I'm just going to click over here itself. So if you want to access the API key from your account, simply go to the settings, integrations, and you can find the API settings option. And here you can find the API key. So I'm just going to click on show key. I'll copy this key from here and I'll paste the same key over here in Pabbly Connect. Okay. And let's click on save. And now the Apollo account is connected to Pabbly Connect just because I was already logged into my Apollo account also. So make sure before creating a connection, you are logged into your accounts. Now here we have to give the first name, last name, organization name and all other details of the customer. So we have already got all these details through the form submission. So we are going to map all these details now. Let us map them one by one. First name from form stack, that is Adam. Here we have to map the last name, that was Smith. Organization name, that was Pabbly. And here we have to map the email address. So we have mapped all the details. We are not having the title, so I'm just leaving it as blank. Here we have to select the contact stage. You can select it as per your requirement. I'm just selecting it as a gold. If you have the website URL or the address details, you can map it over here. As we are not having, I'm just leaving it as blank. And let's click on save and send test request. Okay, and here we can see the response is received. It means a new contact is created into our Apollo CRM account. Let's check it. So this is my Apollo CRM account contact list. Okay, and I'll just scroll down. At last here we can find that Adam Smith is created as a new contact over here. Here we can find his company name, that is Pabbly, as well as his email address. Okay, so in this way we can see that our integration is working fine. Let's move back to Pabbly Connect and let us save this workflow first. Data saved successfully. Okay. So next time whenever the form will be filled, automatically the customer will be added as a new contact into your Apollo CRM account. Okay. It is a one-time process only. So let us check this in the real time that whether our integration is actually working fine or not. So I'll just go to my contact form once again and I'll just open it in a new tab so that we can fill in the details on the name of some other customer this time. Let's give the first name as Shikha. Last name as Arya. Let's add the email address as shikhaarya22@gmail.com. And let's add the organization name as Magnet Brains this time. Okay, and let's click on submit form. Thank you, the form was submitted successfully. Okay, so the form has been filled. Now we have to check our Apollo CRM account and we have to just refresh it once. Okay, let's scroll down and here we can find a new contact named Shikha Arya, company name as Magnet Brains, and here we can find her email address. So in this way we can see that our integration is perfectly working fine. Okay, so let's move back to Pabbly Connect and I'll just minimize all these windows and let us see in a nutshell whatever we have done till now. So first we have created an integration between FormStack and Pabbly Connect. Then Pabbly Connect has captured all the details of the customer through the form submission, and using those details automatically a new contact was created into your Apollo CRM account. And in this way, we have created a successful integration between FormStack and Apollo CRM using Pabbly Connect. So not just these software applications, you can integrate a ton of applications and automate your business using Pabbly Connect. In case of any queries, you can visit our Pabbly forum. To check the pricing details of Pabbly Connect, you can visit this particular URL. Also, the link of Pabbly Connect and this workflow is available in the description box. You can clone the same workflow into your account directly. If you really like this video, please comment, share and subscribe. Thank you everyone.